Om Shanti. These are the Murli Reflections from 24th of July 2019. Today, Baba, our sweet Supreme Soul, our Father, is saying to all his sweet children souls that your intellect becomes clean with the power of remembrance. So you have to have the power of determination for the power of remembrance of the one Father. And then you also imbibe divine virtues. Therefore, we children need to sit in solitude and ask ourselves, how many times do we remember our Father, and how many divine virtues have we developed? And use the power of concentration and determination to stay in remembrance of the one Father, always and forever, and practice soul consciousness, seeing the light in myself and all the others. Baba also talks about a very great devilish defect which we children should not have, which is to speak in a rough or harsh manner to someone. This is also called evil spirit. And when this evil spirit enters someone, it causes a lot of damage. And we therefore have to step away from that. And as much as possible, practice that I now have to return home, to my spiritual home, and go to my spiritual Father and reunite with my spiritual family. So while seeing everything in this world drama, we should not see anything. So the slogan for today is that we have to have very, very pure and elevated vibrations. We have to stay in this purity and radiate all these pure and elevated vibrations. And then we can change any negative scene of drama to a positive scene. Baba also talks about the service, that any service that disturbs us or others is not service, but selfishness. When there is some form of selfishness, even in name, there is fluctuation. When our own selfish motives or others' motives are not fulfilled, service gets disturbed. Therefore, we need to stay beyond any selfish motives and be loving in all our relationships while serving. And then we will be called true servers. We have to do service with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm, but selflessly, and not let the burden of service make our stage fluctuate. So we have to pay attention to this. So Baba gives blessing to all his children. May you be true servers and stay beyond any selfish motives and be loving in all the relationships while serving. Dharana for today is that let there be remembrance of the one Father while walking and moving around, while playing our role in the drama. Practice not seeing anything while seeing everything in the drama. Sit in solitude, and we have to check ourselves that to what extent have I imbibed the divine virtues. And we have to be aware and conscious not to perform any actions that would cause defamation of our sweet beloved Father. And we have to imbibe divine virtues and become deities from human beings and transform other human beings into deities too. Let it remain in our intellects that I now have to return home and then go into the kingdom. Thank you, Baba, for all this beautiful knowledge and the blessings. Om Shanti.